I'm Molly Berg.
And I'm Maya Glenn. And this is Finlandia Fridays.
Hello and welcome back to the first Finlandia Fridays of 2020. Today I am here with women's basketball players Molly Berg and Maya Glenn, but we're actually not here to talk about basketball this time. We're here to talk about MLK Day of Service. So for those of you who don't know what MLK Day of Service is, it's when our Finlandia community goes out into our local community and helps out at different volunteer places. So students can volunteer at local elementary schools, Canal View, St. Vincents, Dial Help, and other local nonprofits. So before we dive into all of this MLK Day of Service, why don't you guys tell us a little bit about yourselves, what you're majoring in, and how you came to Finlandia?
So I grew up in the area, and I decided to go to Finlandia to pursue a degree in physical therapy assistant and sports management. And then I also play basketball and soccer. And then each year, as a part of MLK Day, our team goes out and does an event, I guess, and we went to the elementary school the past couple of years and helped out.
Awesome.
I was born in Chicago, but I currently live in Las Vegas, and I got recruited to come play basketball here at Finlandia, and I am majoring in business sports management. MLK Day is something that I'm happy to be a part of because normally I don't go out and do stuff within the community, so being able to do that here is awesome. Awesome.
Well, I'm so happy you guys are here and get to take part in this awesome event. So you said, Molly, that you guys have gone to the local elementary school before, and I know you guys had said to me before that you have done that as a team. So when you guys get there, kind of what happens when you show up to the elementary school? What do they have you guys do, and how is that experience?
So the past couple of years, like I said, we went to the elementary school. 2 years ago, I was in a classroom, and we just read books, and we ended up going to a few different classrooms and talked or read books to kids and about MLK Day. And then last year we went to a gym class and then just kind of helped volunteer and interact with the kids.
Awesome. What about your experience?
Last year for me, I was in a classroom, read a couple of books to children.
Awesome. So you guys are going back to the elementary school this year. Your team is going. What are you guys looking forward to? Or do you just look forward to teaching kids about the day, or just helping out in the classrooms? What do you guys look forward to the most about it?
Well, for me, I was pretty nervous, reading the books to the children, because I was reading the books and I was like, oh, some of these words are kind of, big. So I didn't know if they would understand them, but they were pretty advanced children, so they understood, and they had a lot of questions and different things. So
that's awesome. What about you?
Yeah, just a good experience. Go and help educate the kids and interact with them. Yeah.
Awesome. So I know, too, that we had spoken about other community events that you guys have done as a team. Why don't you tell me a little bit more about those and what you guys did?
So other events that we do is campus cleanup. So last year we went around picking up trash, breaking leaves, and taking it out.
And then during the summer, during the canal run, we'll volunteer at different stations, especially the local part of the team that's around, and then help pull that way.
Awesome. So when you guys go into the school, you said you helped out in a gym class. What do you do in the gym class? Obviously reading books is really important and teaching them about the day, but when you're in the gym class, are those events that you guys do part of MLK Day, or are you just kind of there to hang out and give help to the teacher that day?
Yeah, I think it's just kind of there to help out the teacher. Last year they had a jungle gym set up, and so you just kind of watch the kids, I guess, and then play if they want you to join in. Most of the time I think it's kind of fun if you join in with them. So
awesome. So when you guys came to Finlandia, did you expect to do as much community service work as you guys did? And has that shaped your college experience, and how has it helped your education? It seems pretty big and pretty important in my opinion.
Yeah. I would say it is pretty important because also it's a part of my job as an RA as well. So we have to give back to the community, help the environment be more together, in the dorms. So being able to go out, in the community and actually doing stuff is pretty good. And I feel as though it helps, benefit us in the end because we get to make more connections with people.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I would agree. Just going out in the community as they support us here at Finlandia, try to give back to them and show them that we're here to support the community as well.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I'm sure that they really appreciate it too, not just coming to support you guys at your games, but when you guys get out in the community and support them as well. Is there anything else about MLK Day that you guys have experienced that you would like to share?
I don't know. I think it's just a fun experience to go out and interact and give back.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I went in last year, went to elementary school, and I also went to the film as well.
Yeah, how was the film? I know, so there's also other events. So on Sunday, there is a community worship that Pastor Sarah will be holding at the Chapel of St. Matthew. And then on Monday night, there will be a showing of We Were Kings. So tell us a little bit about going to the film showing. How is that?
Going to the film, it was kind of a little like slow starting because like it was like the film we watched, I can't remember exactly the name of it, but it was more so like starting of like an interview. So it was kind of like, like where is this going? But then once you got into it, it like literally like opened your eyes and you got to see things from other people's perspectives, like from back in the day. So it's pretty good. That's awesome. Well, it's awesome that there isn't just like the helping the community, but there's also a showing to really make you think about what the day is and how important it is. So thank you both for being here today. It was great to talk to you about this, and I hope to hear your stories about when you go out this year. For those who are looking for things to do this weekend, tonight we have men's hockey at 7 p.m. at the HOCO, and tomorrow they'll be playing at 4 p.m. at the HOCO as well. Also, Hakenpaiva is going on, so on Saturday night, the Hobby Horse Hoedown will be at 6:30 at the Finnish American Heritage Center. All of these things sound like great events, and thank you again, guys, for coming on the show today. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next week.